Dear friends, in this podcast we are going to discuss about water filter. Water filters uses real application of chemistry. A typical water filter contains some filters and a motor and a water tank. Purpose of motor is to maintain pressure throughout the filters, and purpose of water tank is to collect pure water or filtered water, and the purpose of filters are to perform filtration and to increase purity of water and to make water drinkable. So from inlet there is a sand filter. The purpose of sand filter is to remove big size contaminants or sediments from inlet water. Then water sent to carbon filter. From carbon filters, the maximum dirty odor or small sediments or contaminants are removed, and after that water goes to membrane filter. In membrane filter, reverse osmosis principle works. With the help of reverse osmosis, pure water comes out, and this water is sent to UV lamp. In the UV lamp water filter, with the help of UV lamp, all microbial agents or bacteria, viruses get killed, and pure water with removal of contaminants or pathogens sent to water storage unit. And in some advanced water filters there is a mineral cartridge. The purpose of mineral cartridge is to add required minerals in the water to enrich the water quality. So this is a small podcast on water filters. Thank you to listening this podcast.